Today I would like to show you our improved mounting kits for the radar sensor. The following adjustments have been made. The wall thickness of the swivel arm has been increased. The clamping screws are secured with safety straps. The swivel arm can be adjusted in 15-degree increments. The flange is now symmetrical. We will look into these changes in detail in a moment. But first, here's a list of variants of the mounting kits that are currently available. Radar wall mounting kit and radar wall mounting kit long. Radar pipe mounting kit and radar pipe mounting kit long. Radar rung mounting kit and radar rung mounting kit long. Radar cross strut mounting kit. For the long versions, the distance between the contact surface of the flange and the center of the sensor recess is 500 mm. For the normal variants, the distance is 250 mm. Let's take a closer look at the adjustments. Firstly, the advantages of the increased wall thickness. The swivel arm is generally more stable as a result. In addition, more force can be transferred to the spherical joint of the sensor bracket via clamping screw. For the next improvement, we will have to remove the radar sensor. For the clamping screw for the spherical joint, both the star knob and the coach bolt itself have been secured against falling. The star knob has been fitted with a safety strap and the bolt with a retaining ring. For the clamping screw securing the swivel arm, both the star knob and the coach bolt have been fitted with security straps. The bolt head has been fitted with a lock pin. Along with the holes in the flange, the swivel arm can be locked in 15-degree increments at an angle of up to 90 degrees relative to the center axis using this pin. This applies to both left and right rotation. If a different angle is required, the bolt can be also inserted so that the locking pin locks it into the slotted hole in the flange. In this case, however, the resistance to rotation of the swivel arm is only determined by the clamping force generated by the clamping screw. Finally, the flange. It is now symmetrical. It is no longer necessary to pay attention to which side is the top and which side is the bottom during installation.